Good afternoon, my name is Joe Varillo. I started this business in 1979 and we're celebrating 45 years in business because I love Corvettes, specialty cars, exotic cars, and I love dealing with people that are passionate like myself. Good afternoon, I'm Joe Varillo and welcome to Varillo Motor Car. This here is a 1969 Camaro, Hugger Orange with white stripes. This is a very early built car. It's a late 68 built car. It has original Enduro front bumper. It is an original motored car, original transmission, original rear end. But what's very unique about the car is several things. The color combination of the white houndstooth interior, but more so, it's got an M22 Rock Crusher transmission and 410 rear end, which is very unusual. They built very few cars with that. This car is pretty much 100% original, authenticated and verified by MacNeish, Corvette Specialties. And it is an unrestored car other than the car has been repainted. It's had some replacement of upholstery, but underneath is all original, very clean, and a well cared for car, and all the numbers match. Pretty rare car to find. It's got the correct wheels on the car. All the glass is correct and authentic. The interior is spectacular. It's white houndstooth interior. It's got a wood steering wheel. It's got AM/FM radio. It's got a tachometer. It's got a console with gauges. Beautiful original white vinyl top, and the sheet metal on the car is all original. All original quarters, fenders, rear mounted antenna. It's got spoilers. Now this car is an early car, so the car did not come from the factory with a cowl induction hood or spoilers. They were added when the car was repainted. So it's original. It's an original rear antenna car, but the spoilers have been added to the car. But other than that, the car is a very authentic, very original car that's in exceptional condition. You can look at the paint, is just spectacular, shows well. It's got correct era reproduction tires, and the engine compartment is all detailed properly to original, the way it came from the factory, with the smog pump, the correct carburetor. It's got power steering. This is a very unusual find. It's not your normal average 69 Z28. This is an authentic, born with engine, transmission, rear end, M22 410 rear end. There's many photos on our site at VarilloMotorCar.com, or you can contact me for more information at joe@VarilloMotorCar.com. Thanks for watching the video. Hi, I'm Joe Varillo, and I love to earn your business. You contact us, we can make your buying experience as easy as 1, 2, 3. We can sell you a car and have it delivered to your door anywhere in the United States or abroad.